What is going on, people of the internet? Today, I am going to start a series of videos going over my firearm collection. And today, we're going to start off with a very, very special one. I have been searching for this gun for years and years and years. They've been super expensive. Could never get my hands on one. And then finally, very early this year, January 1st to be exact, Colt came out with the 2020 version. And if you haven't figured out already by the title or looking at it, this is a Colt Python, and this is the pinnacle of my collection. I have been a fan of this gun for a very long time. It comes through movies, video games, TV shows, absolutely everything. It's made me drool over this gun for years and years, and I finally got it myself. So I figured I would share the love of this beautiful gun. More than a gun, actually art, in my opinion. I mean, look at this thing. So I'm just going to make a short video going over things I like about it. Maybe some things that I don't, but it is just sex if you look at it. Seriously. So let's go over a few distinctive features. So to me, what makes a Python, well, there's a couple things for sure, but from a distance, you can always look at this top of this barrel, the ribbing at the top, and I just think it makes it stand out more than absolutely anything. I mean, there's something about them ribs right there that is just, it makes it stick out. I mean, it's simple. It's going to lower your recoil, make it a little bit louder, but less kick when shooting. So that's always nice for a 357 if you want to stay accurate. So the ribs are super nice, iconic. I mean, just ask anybody that's a fan of this gun. Obviously, another way you can tell is the pony, the Colt medallion. Look at these grips, just absolutely gorgeous. Oh yeah, just beautiful. Kind of a beaver tail hammer I really like. It's really grippy. I don't know, super easy to kind of stick your hand to. It's almost like it's glued there for a second, really nice. A little bit different than the older style, but I do like it. The originals did not have this crown that stuck out, but they definitely did this for the right reason. So if you drop it or butt it up against something, you're not going to damage the rifling or throw off the accuracy, so very smart move by them. I don't think Smith & Wesson does that, so definitely stepped up their game there. If I didn't already say, this is a 6-shot revolver. Didn't go the Smith & Wesson route and go 7-shot like they did with the 686. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. They definitely wanted to stick with the iconic route. There's the other side. Just absolutely gorgeous. I like this little bend right here. I don't know, something about that too. As you can see, I'm an absolute fanboy over this gun. But there is a couple things I don't like. This QR code right here and the number. I don't know why this could not have been put on the inside of this grip. So, you know, you could take the grips off and then you could put the code on the inside of there. Not sure why they didn't do that. Doesn't really make any sense to me. Not a huge deal. Obviously here on this side, you have Colt, MFG, Hartford, Connecticut, manufactured. Yeah, so that's that side. This side's definitely way prettier. Python 357, very, very iconic. Yeah, I'm a fanboy. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Don't like the QR code, but that's okay. I can get over it. So this thing is just the absolute looker. There's no doubt about it. Here's a view from that side. Look down the sights. And you can actually take the sight off here. You don't have to take it to a fucking, a dealer or a custom gunsmith to take the sight out. Very simple. Just pull the pin. And I'll show you the sights again. You can see that. Just perfect. Perfect for the line of accuracy, yeah. So, definitely a good looking gun. A couple things I wish they wouldn't have done, but hey, it still looks good. Let's go over this hammer right here. Now, this is special. Listen to this. I mean, if you know anything about revolvers, you can just tell from listening to that. Listen. almost sounds unreal. So not only does it just sound right, it's smooth as can be, like glass. Just glass. I mean, I don't even know how they pull that off. Yeah, so that's nice. Let's go over trigger pulls. You pull that back. Here's your single action. I'm going to show you. That's a little bit of pressure, a little bit more. So it's not bad by any means, definitely not bad. But it's a little heavy, but it's not bad. Like kind of middle ground. I wouldn't say it's as good as a 686's single action pull, personally. It's a little too heavy for my liking, but hey, it's not bad. But this is where it gets really good. This is where they stepped up their game. Now it's obviously it's hard to show over camera, but I'm gonna show you. No pressure, a little bit of pressure. It gets kind of hard right there, but you can stage it like that. So then you know, bam, perfect. A great double action pull. Pulls, just beautiful. I'll stage it again. Bam, just absolutely perfect. So, double action, great. Just about perfect in my opinion. I like how you can stage it right there at the end. Obviously, most of you can. Single actions, not bad. Just a little heavy for my liking. What else? You can go over 1,000 times why this is such a good looking gun, and you're gonna pay for it. It's not cheap. You know, the 686 you can get for about $800. Great gun. The Ruger GP100, and I'm talking about 357s, obviously. The GP100's like 700, you know, MSRP or whatever. Both great guns. This gun, right now, if you can get your hands on it, you're going to be paying a hefty bill. Your wallet's not going to be liking you, but it's $1,500 MSRP. I paid more than that, like an absolute moron. But, like I said, I'm a huge fan of this gun. So it's worth it to me. I'll keep this thing forever. And I'm not the kind of guy to kind of keep it in a safe and never shoot it. I've put probably 30, 40 rounds through it. Shoots amazing, no problem. And let me go over, I'm sure you've seen if you're doing any kind of research, Colt was having some problems. I think it's all narrowed out and good, but every now and then you would pull that hammer back and the cylinder wouldn't move. Obviously not a good thing. You know, you can take it back, send it through them, you know, they'll fix it for you. But what I was going to show you is if you have that mark right there, this is sort of like the second gen, and supposedly they have gotten rid of all those problems. I've pulled this hammer back, shot it 40 times, dry fired it 100,000 times. It's working flawlessly. It was actually, they said it was with this pin right here. They wouldn't be tight enough. So something, you know, down here wasn't letting the cylinder turn, but it seems like they got them all fixed up. So yeah, I just wanted to make a real short video, just kind of showing my love for the gun. I'll definitely post videos shooting it and let you know how it is shooting. Spoiler alert, it's great. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. This is my first video. I mean, just let me know how I did, what you think about the gun, if you have one, if you're gonna get one. So leave that in the comment section. Thank you guys. Peace out.